Urban garden. So Ray and I here are going to do some playing in the garden today since we have to stay inside because of the COVID-19 virus. And you should be too, unless you have to go to the grocery store or you have to go out to get medicine, things like that. But you should be staying home. So we're going to take advantage of this time and we're going to do a little bit of planting. We got some soil down here that we're going to turn around and take, and we are going to mix these two together. And we are going to put them in these two buckets back here. And we are going to plant different things in them. So, stick around and watch as we do a couple projects.
So, we obviously have Timmy recording. So, he's recording for us today. But these are our buckets that we just filled up with our soil, our mix of soils here. The mushroom compost, the multi-purpose topsoil, and we also had my compost for my composting. Okay, so these are the ginger plants that I started in the house. Basically what I did is I took some bulbs of ginger from Sprouts, I love Sprouts, and we just stuck them inside our buckets here in the grow room. And you want the little pointy ends on the roots to point upward. And so this is what we're getting here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna transfer from this bucket to this bucket where it's gonna be its home. So we're just gonna make a little space here. We're just gonna clean out the center because this is going to be down in there pretty good, so we can always put some of that over here for now. We probably have to add some soil, but here's what I'm going to do. And I'm a rookie at growing ginger, but we're just going to gently stick our hands in there, squeeze the pot out. Oh yeah, and look, you see, if Timmy can get this, you can see all the roots in here grown down the side of the bucket. They're kind of sticking out here at the bottom. So we're just going to take this whole thing, we're going to put it in the bucket. We're not even going to mess with those roots because they're so young and gentle. So we're just going to put it in there like that. And we're going to fill around with some more dirt. Now mind, once you wet this, because we haven't watered it yet, once you wet it, it's going to sink down a little bit more. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of our other soil here. Now, you know what? If you live in an apartment, I mean, look, I got this black container at Home Depot, and you know, this can go out on your little patio, and we have one root in there, which you can see we got 3 stems coming up from. And so we're just going to pat this down just a little bit here, and then we're going to water it. And there you go. We're going to put this in a good spot in our garden. It doesn't want direct full sunlight, probably about 6 to 8 hours a day of sunlight. So we're going to kind of mix it up here. Now, okay, over in this other part, we are going to put some more. This one has just a little tiny root, so we're going to hope that one does. So that's why we're going to put 2 in this bucket. We're going to go with a bit bigger bucket here. And as I did before, we probably put just a little bit too much soil in there. And you know what? Like I said, it's my first time ever growing ginger and garlic. So it's a learning lesson. So obviously this is pretty simple and easy. You know, you can start these in your house or, you know, in the kitchen. I put them in trays, and then I'll have a grow light in there, but that's because we do a lot of other growing in the garden. So gently, we're going to take this. Now, before we did this, we kind of wet these down, and as you can see there again, look at that, that's a little root coming out of there. See how that root's hanging there? So we don't want to distract that. So we're going to put this like right there, and gently just kind of put it in place there for now. And then we're going to take this other one. Now this only has one little sprout, so we're going to really be gentle with that. And hopefully This one we're going to because there's whoa. Okay, that's way too much. Okay, so we'll just move that around. And we're just gonna gently stick that one in there. Make sure that that's pointing up. We're gonna wrap this around. We're gonna press down on it just a little bit. Okay. And you know what? We're gonna add a little bit more soil into that one. Not a whole lot, but just a bit. There, that's good. And voila! Look, we have 2 beautiful buckets of ginger. And you can do this at home. It's real simple. Look, this is how much space this is taking. I mean, you're gonna get some ginger out there to last you probably a couple of weeks. All right. Now in this orange bucket, we're gonna try some garlic. And I started these out inside probably about 4 weeks ago. And I just took the cloves from organic garlic that I got at Sprouts again. And we stuck them in these little containers. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put 3 in here. So we're gonna take out a little bit of this soil. We're gonna, like I said, I've never done garlic, so I'm not sure what's going to happen when I take this out of the container, but we're about to find out. So gently go like this with your right hand. Just squeeze. You don't want to disturb it too much, but look at all those roots. Isn't it awesome? So we're going to add this one to this side, because remember now, we're going to put 3, and we want to give them about 3 inches all the way around. So we're gonna put 1 here, 1 here, and that'll be good. All right, so we're gonna kind of shift this over here a little bit. Let's take another scoop of dirt out. Because, as you know, garlic is definitely a rooted vegetable. And listen, save these containers. You know, after you're done here, like we're doing right now, wash them out and hang on to them. I mean, they work perfect. Look at all the roots on that one. Goodness gracious. We're not going to distract those roots. We're going to just leave it like that. We're going to put it in there. And then we'll just put some more soil around that one, just to keep it sturdy until we get the other one in there. And boom. All right, we're going to take this other one. Again, be gentle. You know, other plants you would distract the roots, but since these are so young, we're not going to be tender, we're not going to mess with the roots. We're just going to put some dirt around them. And I'm sure, I would say, in a couple of weeks, hopefully, they're doing really good. Now, back to kind of what I was talking about in the beginning. You know, I go by the Phoenix gardening calendar about 80% of the time, but I do shift it up and change. So this is kind of a test for us. So we'll see how it does out here. It takes about 5 months for the garlic and the ginger, and we'll just see how it does in this bucket, and we'll keep you updated on how it goes. But look, real easy project. Remember, keep your containers. Make sure you just spray them out real good, clean them out, because this is what I start all my plants in. I don't mess with the little tray type things, because here's the thing, you're gonna have to transplant them in these anyhow. So why not just hang on to these? Same way with these, save these. And there you go, we got ginger and garlic. Have a great one. Okay guys, so we got the ginger planted in the container here, which should be pretty good. It's doing really well. And if you come over here, we got the garlic planted down in this orange bucket here. It's a little wilted because of the sun. It's getting direct sun right now. And then we also got ginger in this bucket over here. So we're going to try a couple different areas in the garden and see how things do in different areas. But there you go.
garlic and ginger.
Be sure to give this video a like if you want to see more like it. Subscribe to keep up with the garden. Comment down below if you have any questions or requests. You can find all the ways to connect in the description box, including lavgar.com, where you can buy seeds or view blog posts, and at Lavier's Urban Garden on Facebook, which is where new content is previewed. Until next time, happy gardening!